Alright guys, I'm going to pop this old Lightning Audio 760 watt max with this Alpine 1500 MRV point da da da. I'm gonna play Bass Otronics, Bass I Love You on it. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. 1 second. It didn't do it right. Damn it. No. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna start off slow, see what it looks like. Let's turn it up some. It's barely moving. Chase, get the flashlight. Takes one of the wires off. Hold there, Chase. Pop it. We're going to pop it! Taking a beating. Okay, when it comes back. Took a little while, but it blew. God, that stuff stinks.
Your input.